Alright, so here are a few u substitution problems. The first one is going to be in the form the integral of du over u. And we know that the integral of du over u is the natural log of u plus c. Alright, so if I'm assuming that the 5x to the fourth minus 4 is u, then I'm going to assume that this 80x cubed is the du, and keep in mind you can just pull that negative out. So the du is equivalent to 20x cubed, right? Just the derivative of u. But that's not what it looks like up in the numerator. This is 80. So what you can do is you can take and split this into 4 and 20. And then this 4 can come out, and once you pull that 4 out, well, then you do have 20x to the third in the numerator. So it's going to be rewritten as negative 4, the integral of 20x cubed over 5x to the fourth minus 4 dx. Now we have the denominator being u and the numerator being du. Okay? So I can rewrite this as negative 4, the integral of du over u. And now that it's in that form, this formula tells me what the answer is. The answer is the natural log of u plus c. So it equals negative 4 times the natural log of u plus c. The only thing I have to do is plug this u back in because, u is made up, right? So I want to plug the real thing back in. Negative 4 natural log of 5x to the fourth minus 4 plus c. And there's your answer. Okay. The next one I want to do is a problem that includes e. Okay. So number 11 here. So first things first, this one, hopefully just by inspection you can see that this hopefully is going to be in the form of e to the u du, because we know that the integral of e to the u du is e to the u plus c. So let's see if that's true, and if it's not true, let's make it true. So I'm going to take the exponent of the e to be u, because that's what needs to happen in order for it to be in this form. So if u is equal to 3x to the fourth minus 2, well, what's the derivative of that? The derivative of that is 12x cubed. Does 12x cubed match the 36x cubed? Not at the moment, but 12 is a factor of 36. So I can split this 36 up into 3 times 12, just like we did in the previous problem. And then if I pull that 3 out, now I do have 12x cubed as my coefficient, which is du. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3 times the integral of 12x cubed e to the 3x to the fourth minus 2 dx. Okay. Let me just rearrange a few terms so it looks a little bit neater. I'm going to say the integral. I'm just going to swap these terms. So this is e to the 3x to the fourth minus 2 times 12x cubed dx. Alright. The reason I switch those is so it's easier to see. This is e to the u, and this is du. Okay. And we know that if you have something in the form e to the u du, the answer is e to the u. So if this whole thing is e to the u, and we have a coefficient of 3, then that's just what our answer is that e to the u piece plus c.